driving up the highway, I've noticed all these tracks to the south of the Western Freeway, so we're going to try it out. I just picked them at random on the map, so I have no idea what they're going to be like. Could be easy, medium, difficult, impossible, who knows. But we shall go and have a look and find out. Oh, look at those roos, they're huge. There's heaps of them. I'm not going to see them, am I? They're too far gone. Bugger. I cannot see them at all now. Turn left onto Norbert Track. Okay. Always love checking out new areas, going places you've never been before. Yeah, I just picked a few tracks at random. Tom Track. Looks like they've had a lot of water running down this track. Oh, when was that? We got a big downpour one day this week, didn't we? Yeah, we had heavy rains. Which way am I going? Left? Yep, that'll go back to a main road by the looks of it. We'll go this way. Yeah, I forgot we had a big storm through the week. Very heavy rains. We just about got flooded at work. Yeah, looks like the water was flowing down these tracks. Which way am I going here? Left. There's been a few times I've gone to Beaufort on the highway and I can see all these tracks off the side of the highway and I wonder where they go. So today I'm checking out some of them. Yeah, well, I must have been flowing down here. Well, ooh. There goes a wallaby. He was on the move. Oh, bloody hell. Tiger track, Mosquito Gully track. So I can go straight, nice and easy on Shepherd Gully track, or I can take Tiger track, turn onto Mosquito Gully track. Tiger track it is. That's not too much of a detour. Tiger track. This one? Righto, we'll go this way. Go up the guts, eh? Oh, nice. What's this little dam? Doesn't even show any water on the map. area. This would be a nice spot to camp. Now, can you hear that? I don't know if the mic will pick that up. If you can hear that noise, it is a Pobblebonk. Let me say that again, it's hard with your cheeks squished in. Pobblebonk frog. That's a weird sound, isn't it? But I've got to get moving. The mosquitoes are absolutely terrible here. Probably what the Pobblebonks are eating. They're also known as the banjo frog because they sound a bit like a banjo being plucked. Righto, let's get moving. I'm getting eaten alive. So I'm going to go over here, get onto Tiger Track again. I like that one. Oh. Plenty of good tracks out there to keep you interested. Where are we going here? Oh, look at that, that's the main road there. It's probably the highway just there. So it's Beaufort Carnham Road. We're back onto the Western Highway. Nothing coming, let's go. Is it 100 or 110? I think it's 110. I noticed my Speedo is working again. All I did was clean the contacts, unplugged it, cleaned it out, back together with some electrical grease and it's working perfectly. This is downtown Beaufort. Towns left that the major highway passes right through. Won't be surprised if it gets bypassed in the future.